get to work! Grab your tool belt and let's get to work! Wrench. We use a wrench to tighten or loosen the nut, bolt, or screw. This button is red. Wrench. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Hammer. That's the sound of a hammer. Hammer. We use a hammer to hit nails. Scoot, fly, zig and zag. In the boat, paddle, paddle. The excavator digs, all go fast and slow, and all need special care to fix. This button is yellow. Hammer. We use a hammer to hit nails. Drill. That's the sound of a drill. Drill. We use a drill to make holes or drill screws. Drill. That's the sound of a drill. When we use the drill, hold it steady, hold it still, line it up with the screw, squeeze the drill, and brum, brum, brum. Drill. This button is green. Twist and turn the bolt to learn how to use the wrench. To the right, right, right to make it tight, tight, tight. To the left, left, left to make it loose, loose, loose. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, what should we fix? 7, 8, 9, we're fixin' all the time. Well, it might be a little bit noisy, all of our repairs. Fixing things around the house, well, it takes work and skill. When it's fixed, what a thrill! We are fixers with lots of tools. Safety first, that's the rule. No job is too big, no job is too small. With the right tools, we can do them all. Get to work! Press a button to play! Tool time! Let's listen to the question and use our tools to answer. Find the button that is yellow. Drill. Oops! Find the button that is yellow. Hammer. Fantastic job! Which tool do we use to twist a nut, bolt, or screw? Wrench. Hey, you're doing great! Find the button that is green. Drill. Well done! Which tool do we use to make holes or drill screws? Drill. Nailed it! Find the button that is red. Wrench. Fantastic job! That's the sound of which tool? Wrench. Hey, you're doing great! Which button shows the hammer? Hammer. Well done! Which tool do we use to hit nails? Hammer. Nailed it! Which button shows the wrench? Drill. Uh-oh, let's try again. Which button shows the wrench? Drill. Which button shows the wrench? Drill. Not quite right. Let's try again. Which button shows the drill? Hammer. Uh-oh. Let's try again. Which button shows the drill? Drill. Fantastic job! That's the sound of which tool? That's the sound of which tool? Hammer. Hey, you're doing great! Woohoo! Music time! Press the tool buttons to play some songs. Wrench. Twist and turn the bolt to learn how to use the wrench. To the right, right, right to make it tight, tight, tight. To the left, left, left to make it loose, loose, loose. Yahoo! Hammer. Hammers and nails go together like shells on snails, or water and whales, or colors on peacock tails. Drill. When we use the drill, hold it steady, hold it still, line it up with the screw, squeeze the drill, and brum, brum, brum. buttons to play some songs.